So the girls are out already and they're waiting for their food. Today we're introducing grit to our chickens. So grit is actually just some crushed up granite. The purpose of this is to help the birds digest. They keep this in their crop and it helps break down some of the food that they're eating. So we're just gonna mix it right in here. All right, I'm just gonna stir it up. They're going right at it, so they'll eat up that grit, and that'll help them stay healthy, digest their food,